Alright, howdy guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys, reviewing, and putting together the Cabelas 3-person A-frame blind. Retails for $4.99 at my local Bass Pro, $4.99 Canadian. I believe it's $2.99 or $3.99 American at Bass Pro or Cabelas. I picked it up for $3.99 Canadian. It was on sale. And I didn't see many videos about it on YouTube, so I think I'm just gonna show it to you guys, so you guys have something to go off based on the reviews, and you guys have something to watch about the blind, so you just know if it's good or not. So I'm gonna be showing you guys today, and yeah, let's get into it. So here's what it looks like, all together, packed up. Out of the box it doesn't come like that, but this is what's going to be look like in the field when you take it out of the truck or put it into the truck. It's actually it's not heavy at all. Actually, I can hold it with one hand, carry over. You can see I can carry it over like that. It's pretty easy, pretty light, so that's great. So let's put it together. So just unbuckle these like that, and then you got those. There's an instruction that comes with it, but after you do it once or twice, you kind of get used to it. So it comes with these 4 of these, whatever. I'm not good in A-frame terms, I guess, but it comes with those bases, I guess, that you roll it all out. It's pretty big when it's all rolled out. Actually, let's switch to 0.5 there. Should be easier to show. And yeah, and then you got all these base parts. They go together pretty easily. So you're gonna see the letters and writings on it, so that's pretty easy to do it. It says top right there, and it's because it has the gun holders, I guess, the gun rests on top. Also, it has a doggy door, so if you're hunting with a dog, hold up, it'd be hard to do this with one hand. Where's the dog door? Must be right here. So let's move all these, and here's the dog door. I don't use it because I don't have a hunting dog. I've got a dog, but it's not that much hunting material. And yeah, it's a pretty nice dog door. So I'm actually gonna put the camera down, the phone down, and assemble it, because it's gonna take too long with one hand. I don't have that much time left of filming light, so hope you guys can see it pretty well. There we go. All the bases, they have this rubber band so that they come together pretty easily here. So I'm gonna assemble all the long parts, and then I'll show you again. All right, I got the whole thing. Well, not the whole thing, just the bases assembled here. You can see it took me literally 2 minutes, even less, I think. Now I'm just gonna put everything together, and yeah, so it actually takes less than 10 minutes to assemble. That's great. It's super light, super fast to assemble. So let's get back to assembly. Alrighty, guys. So we got the base done. It's only been like 5, 6, 7 minutes. It's super quick. I'm telling you guys, super quick, super light. Here's what it looks like. There we go. It's a pretty sturdy construction. Like if you wobble it, it's pretty sturdy. So I'm gonna get back to it, put the covers on it, the covers themselves, and I'm gonna show you what the end result looks like. So let's get back to it. So I'm done here. You can do what you can do here is I have one hand, but basically you just wait, hold up. You just velcro these doors together, and you can also buckle them together if you want to. But basically this is what you got. This is what it looks like. Oh, I got a slug in my shoe. Hold up. So spacious. It's pretty spacious. So I'm gonna go right in here, and yeah, you get these I don't know what to call them, supports, I guess, that you put in the middle. They're kind of in the way, but they make the construction a bit sturdier, less wobbly, I guess. So it's perfect. I love it. It's pretty cheap if you look in the whole A-frame business. This is a pretty cheap one, but it doesn't it's not any worse than the other ones. I love it. So far I've only taken it out for one hunt. I only took it out for one hunt, but you know, this season, the actual season, haven't even started yet. Took it out for one early season hunt, and you know, I loved it. I brushed it in. It was my first time ever using a blind like this, so I was still learning. I brushed it in. It looked super nice. I'm gonna put a picture. And yeah, so let me show you guys the dog door as well. If some of y'all are looking into that. I don't particularly have a dog here, but you know, I don't know what you guys are looking for in the dog blinds, but here's what it looks like. The corner slid out a bit, so what you do is you put these on the edges. Let me just show you guys. There's this, and you just put it in this big pocket right there. Goes on. I use two hands for it. Hold up. Maybe I can put my phone down. Maybe not. Maybe not, actually. I'm just gonna do it super quick. Alright, well, you know, let's there we go. So, and then you put these corners, put them, you lift it up a little bit. Usually do it one hand, two hands, but you lift it up, slide this corner, and there you go. So here's the dog door, very spacious, easily fits 3 people. 2 people, it's like a hotel. Super nice, I love it. So yeah, if you guys were looking for a review of this blind, I'll tell you what, I love it. It's one of the cheaper ones, but it's not any worse than the more expensive ones. It's a good competition. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the disassembly process. I'm gonna take it apart, and we're gonna see how long it takes, because I haven't measured in time yet. Plus, the last time I took it apart, I had to take all the brush out, so it took me about 30-40 minutes to like clean it up from all the weeds and stuff. Because I mean, you can technically like roll it up with all the brush in it, but you know, I don't know, I'm not sure if that's a good thing to do or not, because then it's gonna take up 2 to 3 times more space, and when you got a bunch of decoys, you know, don't got that much space in the trunk anymore. So let's go ahead and take it apart. I forgot to show you guys the gun rests, and I'm gonna be honest, the gun rests are not particularly the best. If you put the gun leaning towards, I'm not even sure how to explain it, but basically, let me show you. If the gun, like, see, let me just show you on the frame here. So if you put the gun like this, kind of, you know, it doesn't really hold up that well. So you gotta put it leaning the other way. You gotta put it like this, so that the barrel is resting on the rest. And that's not really convenient, because you gotta make quite a lot of movement and take a bit of time to take your gun out to get ready for the shot. So the gun rests are not the best, but you know, the blind makes up for it. So keep going. So it's also like the rolling part and the strapping down part that takes a little bit of time, but we got it all strapped down. Here's what it looks like. And yeah, so it's a great blind again. I will maybe post some more hunts in the future. I'm just gonna start filming. I don't really have a camera yet, so I might get into that. I just wanted to show you guys the blind because I didn't see any reviews on the YouTube platform. So I decided to make my own, so you guys have something to watch and something to see about this blind. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Have a great day.